everybody, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda, and today we are checking out a plant swap. So I've never been to a plant swap before. I don't know if there's like a plant swap etiquette or like things that I should have done before coming here, but in my local Facebook plant group, there was somebody that organized a plant swap. So I was like, you know what? I've been doing a lot of commenting and swapping plants and selling plants in this group as of recently, so it might be nice just to come down here and like get to know some of the people I've been talking to virtually. So I have to find the large greenhouse. Nothing really looks like it's labeled though, and it's snowing right now, so I'm gonna go walk around. There's like a wedding venue and then there's a cemetery over there, so hopefully we can find, or I guess I can find. I'm here by myself. I'm not very good with directions. So, fun fact, the plant swap is next Saturday. So I just drove out here for like 48 minutes for no reason because I didn't pay close enough attention to the date. Maybe I'll go check out some plant, like big box stores, since I'm already out here and I don't have my kids. We'll try to utilize the time for something else that's planty. But yeah. Okay, so I'm back here on one of the end caps that they have. This is Leaf Joy. So it's been a long time, I guess, since I've been to the big box store. I don't even know what that like name is. But they have some Quilted Dreams alocasia. It looks a little thirsty. And then in here, I've never seen these before, but it looks like a jewel orchid in a little terrarium. That's cute. Proven winners. Some calathea. This is cute, a little ficus. This is cute. This is called a mini Zen ficus. No? Okay. That one's pretty. And then down here, it looks like some monstera, some more ficus. Let's come over here to this other end cap and see what they have. See, they just look kind of sad. I don't know. This is why I order plants online. Because I just feel like in the store they just, I don't know if they're too cold here in Utah, but they don't seem to do well. These are cool. What is this? Frosted Terracinoides? I probably just butchered that. Okay, there's some little snake plants. Here's some Hoya. Oh, this is a variegated birch-nay. That's cute. Oh, but see, look, a leaf just fell off in there. That is a Hoya carnosa freckles. That one's cute. And then these ones are a tricolor Waiatia. Those are really fun. See, like, I don't know. I just feel like we don't have as good of luck with big box plant shopping. Down here we have more of those Leaf Joy. So this one is a philodendron white wizard. There's a couple of those down here. And a silver dragon. That is a very, very sad silver dragon. It's like super overwatered. I don't want to see what else is back there. Okay. Then over here hanging, it looks like we have some heartleaf philodendrons. Oh, and there's some big Hoya pots. So this one's the Crimson Queen, but it looks like it's rotted. Okay, here's the Costa Farms ones. This is a really cool Aglaonema. Some palms. And we have some larger alocasias. I'm not sure what that is. And then there's these little leaf hydro things. I think they're so cute, but like, look at how cute that pink one is. A little aglaonema. Like, I mean, why are they like this? Okay, so these ones are 3 for $12. So let's see what's in these little ones. So this one is a terrarium. I think this is a jewel orchid. Or Photonia, maybe? I don't know, I'm not very good at those. So here's a golden pothos. And then they have some cute little bonsai trees. I really want one of these, but I don't know how to care for it at all. But I think they're so cool. Some anthuriums. Bamboo. And then for hanging plants on this side, it looks like they have a red Maranta. And they have a Gessiana. Okay, so there's 2 Gessianas. Some of them have some brown spots, but I think these would be easily rehabbed. This one looks like it has a really pretty color on it. Let's see, yeah, there's just like, definitely have to get it out of that soil. Some larger fiddles over here. Some birds of paradise, some bigger ZZ, some palms. But like, I mean, they're all, I don't know, it's not cute. And then some palms over here. Hey, so as you saw, the plant quality of our big box shops here in Utah just isn't great. I mean, I know that it's winter, but it's just still, we don't have a large selection and they're not always in the greatest shape. So even though those 2 Gessianas were there, they just, I don't know, I felt like I would be having to take them home and like chop them all back and then prop them and start a new pot over. And I would just much rather find one that like I don't have to rehab. So afterwards I went to Target. I got some dry shampoo and some new like semi-cured nails. So nothing else Planty related, but I'm excited for the plant swap next weekend, so stay tuned for that. I got the dates down correctly. I put it on the calendar this time. But thanks so much for improv plant shopping with me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.